Hey guys, Jordan here. In this video, I'm going to talk about whether or not I think drone videos help sell properties. Now, drone video is a great tool for real estate agents to separate themselves from other real estate agents, as well as help potential buyers see the property beyond ground level, which is your standard real estate photography. Now, in my opinion, real estate drone videos can actually be a bad thing for some listings, and that's why we don't offer it for or recommend it for every single property. Yeah, any agent can add a drone video if they want, but honestly, if they're not going to order it if it's not going to add additional value. That's why I don't throw in a package, every time we're gonna do a drone video, because it might not help sell the property, which is the goal of the real estate agent. Now, sometimes, the property can look great from the ground, then you get it up in the sky, maybe it backs up to a dump or a commercial development that's really busy or a busy street. There's several things that could be in the vicinity that can actually turn off a potential buyer. So if that's the case, I would recommend not doing a drone video. Now, on the flip side, drone video is a great tool for certain properties, because a lot of times, depending on the property, if it's on a golf course, if the community has all kinds of amenities, if it's really close to a park, there's a lot of selling features that you can't see from the ground level that just really can showcase, maybe there's a mountain back there, or a green belt next door, or no neighbors next to it, or it's on a cul-de-sac. Some of these features of a potential property aren't visible from ground level. So for those ones, I think it's definitely appropriate to do a drone video. And I think, it's not a whole lot of extra effort. And, depending on what your service is, it's really not too much of a premium for somebody to order and, potentially help sell the property. Now, obviously, it's pretty rare that somebody orders an aerial video without aerial photos. I think people scroll through all the photos first before they actually watch videos. So first would definitely be drone photos, but yeah, the drone video can really help sell the community and the area of the property much better than ground level photos. So anyways, those are my thoughts on drone videos. If you guys are interested in learning more about the real estate photography business, you can check out my free workshop. Link is in the description below. That's gonna do it for this one. Reach out if you have any questions. We'll see you guys on the next one.